In today's Two Americas report, we are highlighting a solution to a problem that you might not realize exists in the community. The Omicron variant has unlocked a new level of uncertainty as this new strain of the COVID-19 virus now spreads across the U.S.
That uncertainty can sometimes lead to vaccine hesitancy. Our Ryan Jenkins shows us how one clinic in Racine is working to dispel myth by bringing in experts and vaccines directly to people.
As the Omicron variant spreads across the U.S. and while health officials monitor an uptick of COVID-19 cases nationwide as we head deep into the holiday season, there's heightened awareness surrounding the still lingering pandemic.
I've seen a couple people myself that COVID took, a pretty bad toll on, and that was just that variant. So, who knows what this new variant will do.
From Sherman Phoenix in the city of Milwaukee.
The concern is are people going to get misinformation and then it's going to become something frantic?
To the suburb of Grafton, where holiday shopping is drawing crowds to supermarkets like this, the concern is real.
I'm worried. I am worried. I'm not panicked, but I'm worried.
The reaction to the concern shows the uncertainty that still exists as we wait to learn more about Omicron.
Does it drastically change just day-to-day life for you right now?
For me, no, it hasn't. I guess I'm aware of it, but I'm vaccinated. I'm going to get my booster next Monday, and life goes on.
People across southeast Wisconsin tell me they're monitoring information every day, making decisions about whether to travel, get their booster shots, or to carry on with upcoming holiday events. Now, as information and misinformation about this new variant spreads quickly, healthcare officials are urging people to stay focused on the facts, to seek answers to their questions, and to get vaccinated. One way to answer questions and get people vaccines amid all of the heightened concern is to bring vaccines directly to people. That's the goal of this pop-up clinic inside the supermarket in Racine. Allison Sergio is the executive director of Healthcare Network Incorporated.
Every time there's a new variant, we see an uptick in people who are looking for information and looking to get the vaccine.
She and her team have partnered with the city of Racine to go into the community, hosting pop-up vaccine clinics like this one at a Piggly Wiggly supermarket.
It's confusing. There's a lot of information about COVID-19 and about the vaccine, right and wrong, and we're trying to dispel the myths and also bring the care to the places where people are.
Just one solution helping to plug holes in the community, increasing vaccinations and shutting down false information during a time where uncertainty is on the rise with the pandemic not yet showing signs of being over. Ryan Jenkins, TMJ4 News.